In 1984, Haier was born. With only a short span of 30 years development, Haier has turned from a small refrigerator manufacturer into a giant conglomerate, covering such diversified industries as household appliances, telecommunication, IT and digital products, distribution and logistics, finance, real estate, biological, pharmaceutical, etc., as well as a global leading solution provider for a better life in the world. In April 2000, the first batch of refrigerators were successfully produced in the first Haier American factory in South Carolina. Since that day, localized R&D, localized manufacture, as well as localized marketing have become the most successful practice of Haier's internationalized strategy, zero distance to customer. Today, Haier has 5 major R&D centers, 21 industrial parks, 66 trading companies, and 72,000 employees, including 12,000 overseas staff all over the world. Haier Group owns more than 10 brands, including Haier, Casarte, Leader, F&PA, Aqua, etc., which can meet the needs of different consumers around the world. The brand Haier has become a world brand in over 160 countries, embracing diversified consumption cultures. According to Euromonitor, Haier has been ranking the #1 brand in global large household appliances market for 7 consecutive years. In 2014, Haier reached global turnover of $31 billion, total profit of $2.4 billion, with its profit growth 3 times higher than that of the income growth. The compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, for profit of Haier has been as high as 28% in the past 10 years, and its working capital turnover days, or CCC, realized -10 days for 4 consecutive years. Haier is transforming into a platform-based enterprise, which includes smart home concepts as envisioned by consumers. Haier is also pursuing a brand new production mode, the Internet Factory. It connects our factories with our consumer-centric ecosystems in a completely open way, which allows factories to also become zero distance. As we are moving into the Internet age, Haier is pursuing life solutions that fully represent the imagination to all the users. Pioneering and innovation is part of our DNA. It can be seen in all our actions and results, in our mainstream home appliances or industrial technologies, in everything we do. Haier keeps on launching top-notch technology in mainstream home appliances sector. For example, the innovative refrigerator dry and moist separated storage technology, machines that address disadvantages of traditional washing machines and now occupy about half of the high-end washing machine market in China. The comfortable, intelligent control technology of household air conditioner won China National Science and Technology Progress Prize in 2015 and made the history for winning this prize twice in China's air conditioning area. Many of Haier's refrigerators, washing machines, freezers, and wine cabinets have been ranked first in the world in several consecutive years. Smart air conditioner, smart TV, game notebook, and other products and solutions are also leaders in their markets. Haier has established a global R&D system but view the world as our R&D center in an open innovation connected mode. 5 R&D centers located respectively in Japan, Australia, America, Europe, and China closely connect to over 50,000 first-rate global resources. Through uninterrupted cooperation, communication, and interaction, these R&D centers and connected world-class resources are ready to respond to users' demand at any time. HOPE, a newly built open innovation platform, is an effective way to interact with global partners and explore solutions. We are all experiencing a new industrial revolution. Germany's Industry 4.0, USA's Industrial Internet, China's Made in China 2025 strategy. Haier views this materializing in the form of internet factories, connecting users at the front end and having R&D as a key enabler. It integrates users, factories, and suppliers into a complete smart system. Haier has established 5 internet factories: Qingdao Air Condition, Shenyang Refrigerator, Zhengzhou Air Condition, Foshan Washing Machine, Qingdao Water Heater, and 2 internet plants of subsystem production, Qingdao Mold and Fisher & Paykel Motor. A global leading internet factory system is emerging, with its flow open to users and suppliers. Haier Internet Factory is the subversion of traditional manufacturing plant, with full flow being able to open to users and suppliers. It enables personalized customization and enhances customers' experience. It is transforming from a large-scale manufacturing enterprise to a large-scale custom-made enterprise. So far, Haier has established over 40 intelligent internet-based production lines, making automated upgrades to more than 700 working procedures. Internet factories have greatly improved productivity by 30% and more, while cutting in half the product developing cycle and increasing product customer satisfaction by 30%. It combines the virtual and the physical into one and allows the customers to have best-in-class experience throughout the entire process. Integrating virtual net with the physical net is the unique competitive edge of Haier in China. Physical network means marketing network, logistics network, and service network. Haier has built over 8,000 county-level exclusive stores, as well as 30,000 village and township networks, covering a majority of Chinese city communities and rural markets, forming a physical circulation channel ranked among the top 3 in China. Logistics system spreading across China enables integrated delivery and installation, as well as timely delivery on demand, ensuring 24-hour delivery to county areas and 48-hour delivery to town areas. More than 20,000 service providers are on call at any time to provide users with timely door-to-door service, as well as service package that can complete all services just in one time. Entrepreneurship and innovation are the inner cores of Haier corporate culture. Management innovation is driving Haier to be a leading enterprise adapting to continuous change. The win-win model of individual goal combination, created by Mr. Rui Min Zhang, CEO and Chairman of the Board, has greatly improved the communication efficiency between employee and stakeholders. Such a model also comes from the essence of Haier culture, which is openness and innovation. Globally, Haier pays full respect to local culture while working on a work environment that is inclusive for joint development, so it is well recognized and accepted by local employees. In 2012, Haier acquired Fisher & Paykel, a national treasure-level brand in New Zealand. Depending on its innovative corporate culture, the compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of Fisher & Paykel has reached 74%, becoming a brand with the fastest growth rate among China-imported luxury electrical appliance brands. In 2011, Haier purchased Sanyo's Southeast Asia white goods business. Motivated by its innovative culture, Haier employees put an end to Sanyo's years of loss in white goods business within only 8 months. Mr. Rui Minzhang is the front-runner of management innovation in China's corporate world. That he is rated as a role model of CEO in Internet Era by Gary Hamel, a world-class master strategist. In 2015, Mr. Zhang was on the list of Thinkers 50, a list reputed for Oscar Award in the area of global management thinking.